this is how we jive from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download some app, and with that app you can get some discount whenever you're purchasing anything in AliExpress, Booking.com and so many other fancy shops. I already have got so many discounts this app, so I want to share with you guys. You can save a lot of money using this app. So go to Play Store here. Downloading anything from Play Store, you need to have a Google account. If you don't know how to make a Google account, check my video how I can do that. Here, tap at the searching option and type LetyShops. Here we go. You see LetyShops cashback service is awesome and it works. It's not any scam, it's not a fraud, okay? Because I don't work with the fraud and scam things. So hit install button. So it's done. I'm not gonna open from here. I hit home button. Now we'll see what it is. You see LetyShops is here at App Store. Hit this button. You have two options. You have register option, enter your account. Hit register button. To make an account very easy, put your email address, put a password, hit register now. I already have one account, so I go to my account here. Let's see, let me type. After typing email address and password, I hit login button to go inside. So now you are in your account. So let me show you from where and how much discount you can get. You see AliExpress, you have 5.5% handsome discount. Corte Inglés is Spain, 4.7 handsome discount you have in this. Wish you can have 2.7% discount. Merrell, you have 2.7% supermarket discount. Awesome, this one. Merrell supermarket is available all over the Europe. Is one of the cheapest supermarket from Germany with good quality of product. You see HP, Adidas, Reebok, Expedia, Huawei, and you have different percentage of discount. So whenever you purchase anything, for example, I want to buy something from AliExpress, I hit this one and you see 5.5% handsome discount I have from AliExpress. So you go to store here, you have to open the app and you go to store or to your AliExpress account, buy this app, and whatever you buy, for example I hit this one and you purchase this one, hit one more time, and if you buy you get a discount 5.5%, they will return. So here let me show you my account, what I have purchased and what type of discount I have. The pending money, I don't have any pending credit, but total balance is 12.49 euro, that equivalent to $14 could be. So what I have bought, where I got the money back, let me show you. I go to the pending option here to see. You see AliExpress 0.4 cents, Booking.com 2.76 euros. Again, Booking.com 7.5 euros and many others. So total I have $12. So total I have 12.49 euros. So this is a handsome discount. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.